Mampani Adodanko Akufo-Addo so man Ghana bia ya wo de odwetire eba sa wo ba beye adwuma wo West Africa aman no mu a wa beye efise eyo man a ye ntote bibia mu no etimi ekọ animu enkan ne nkasa ya Adom TV Kasee etwaso
Wabra Ghana Mampanyi kodina simpie so no den sembi etudwa or United Arab Emirates and Ghana Business Forum dwumadie no ase no na wo kire se so ye dwumakuo bi na pese oba West Africa eba bedi dwuma bi a ene ye my Ghana na wose wodi wani edi nkan kire esan se efiafi mpino no donso ne mu na mpanyifo sha ase den hwehwe pa egu akwam ye no na ye hwe na aboa ate adwuma kaso se de be ya atena ye no eba na dwuma de a obi abetumi aba be ye bi na nam san hwehwe pa ne nti no ema my Ghana be ye bia bi a wo hwe adwuma ase a etumi enyine from
We're leveraging the opportunity of serving as hosts of the AFCFTA Secretariat to become the new commercial capital of Africa, a regional trade hub, and a new gateway to the continent. The medium-term outlook, supported by the implementation of the Ghana Cares program, is bright. Not only is Ghana the best place for doing business in West Africa, but it's also the preferred destination for a perfect blend of mineral resource potential, stable regulatory environment, favorable fiscal regime, and socially responsive mining in Africa.
Anya nonkwa Ghana Mampanyi na Adodanko Akufo-Addo to anesem so echire mu se seba no my Ghana economy ne dia sika kokko eda so edi dwuma kese na egusu anso so di sika kese eto man no sika foto emu na baya mreka krabi ne no yesi nyina sa anso te my Ghana enka anam lithium a yesa so ehu wo man mu nti ne sente no omobom homodin asom betumi ne nyumaku akese bia di dwuma na omode aba fumfidi aba na aboa na madwumadie bia tumi akoso na emfa ho ne sedi ahokyere sifa ba man mu no Ghana Mampanyi na Adodanko Akufo-Addo echire dia we ye brebi esese obia etumi ba man emu no beshe dwuma ase ne senti odenkrato ema ankrokro nyumakuo ya wo mo eka UAE no eho se wo mo mro man mu no mo mye nyuma kese a betumi edisika kese bi abre oman.
We're also major producers of bauxite and manganese and are indeed the third largest producer of these two minerals in Africa. More recently, Ghana has been placed globally on the map of some few countries that have made significant discoveries of lithium, just as she has found also graphite and iron ore in significant quantity.